Hello, my future students. As you can guess and see, I hope you can see my picture. I am not able to speak Mongolian very well. I can understand a few words, but by far not enough so that I could hold a presentation in Mongolian. Therefore, we're simply going to do it in English, which is going to be the language you're going to be taught in next year anyways. So my topic are 6 X's and words in English. I'm going to tell you in a second, a few of those who are on time have probably already heard which one is my topic. But to loosen this up a little bit, I'm going to ask you a different question right now that is has not so much to do with the topic. And you tell me the answer. Tell me, what does a lazy teacher do or not do? When you think about your classes, think of your lazy teachers. Oops. What do they do or not do?
Do.
Maybe think about the time when they come or how they prepare their classes and so on. So what does a lazy teacher do or not do?
Lazy.
Not to do.
They'll come late to the school.
Okay. They come late. That's always the worst, especially for me as a German. What else?
They're not going to bother themselves to help the students learn more.
Good. So they don't help the students?
Yeah.
You said they don't bother to help the students. That's very good English, by the way. Anything else? Okay, if you don't have any more ideas, then let me tell you what I think what a lazy teacher does. In our case, it's a male teacher now, so I could say it's a he teacher, because of course female teachers are more hardworking. Okay, then I'll tell you. Firstly, the teacher doesn't come on time. Consequently, he teaches shorter lessons. Secondly, he doesn't prepare his classes. Due to this, his classes are often unorganized, and furthermore, they are not very structured. For example, he sometimes forgets to have an introduction to his lesson. Obviously, a lesson without an introduction is not very good. Nevertheless, students are smart, and so they still often manage to learn something. Lastly, a lazy teacher generally tries to avoid work as much as possible. Because of this, he does one thing a lot in his classes, and that's watching movies. You watch this clip and tell me, what is it about? Can you hear the sound?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it about? And just try to understand as much as you can. All right, tell me, what was the clip about? Can you hear me?
I think the clip is about linking words.
Good. That was an easy question. So
Yeah.
that's the topic. Linking words in English. Why do I chose that, or why did I choose that? Simply because maybe you've already looked at your ÉEŠ samples that you can find online, and there's actually always, as far as I know, one task that only deals with linking words. So to know these is very important. Probably you understood quite a bit, or at least some of you. Maybe some understood a little bit less, who have some students maybe who have more problems still with English. We're going to watch the beginning and the end again. And you try to answer, maybe take a note. You try to answer 2 questions. First one, what are linking words? What is the definition given in this clip? I think actually this will be answered second at the end of the clip. And the second question, when do we use them? Okay, for example, in speaking or writing, or when we ask questions. Okay, we watch the beginning again and the end, and you try to answer these 2 questions.